Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove background of any video in Capcut. So if you are using Capcut and if you want to remove any video's background, so in this video I will show you how to do it. So first of all I'm going to add a new project. Okay, import two videos here. One is this and second is this. Okay, now import. Now I want to remove this videos, okay, background. So now how to do it? Now you have to just select this video. Okay, I'm going to delete this. Okay, select this video, and now here you will see options. Now here you will see basic option. Now you have to just go to cutout. Okay, in cutout here you will see auto cutout, and then here you have to just what you have to do, you have to select this one. Okay, now just click on none. So when you click on none, you will see that background has been removed. Now if you want to add any other backgrounds, what I am going to add this background here. So now here you have to select this, and you have to like this. You can, now I am going to play this. Okay, so like this you can remove any video's background and add another background in your in CapCut. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.